Hello friends, welcome to Tute's Corner. So today we are going to learn something small but important about WordPress. Like what is WordPress, what is the use of WordPress, how to create pages and how to post in WordPress. So let's get started. So first we have to write our WordPress website name. Like my WordPress website is wp.wordpress.wordpress.com, and for going to dashboard page we have to write wp admin. This will get us to this page. This is the dashboard page, which is the backend of WordPress. Only the user which is the admin, which is the owner of this website, can go to this page. So first we are going to learn something about WordPress. Like what is WordPress? It is a free open source web publishing system which is open for all. We can use it as for business and many more things like blogging, business, government sites are also used for this, like in schools, colleges, companies. Many colleges and companies use WordPress for their articles, news, blogs, etc. etc. So we are going to learn how to create post in WordPress. Let's get started. This is post and we have to go in all posts. So here are the two posts, as I have started this WordPress website for the tutorials only. So here are only two posts. So we can always add upon or update our old posts. Like I have written this random letters, so let me write something. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Okay, then we can always add a media like a picture or audio playlist or anything else. Like let's add this picture. Like let insert into post. So this is all here, and you can minimize it always, like I am doing this way. Okay, so you can also add a poll or contact form, or you can also add location, and there are many other options as well, like featured image you have put there. You can also change that tags. You can also add new categories, like you have option uncategorized, so you can also add parent category. And for publishing the blog you have to click on publish, but as we are updating this blog, we have already published it, so we will click on update. So now our form is post is updated. Let's get back to this is the first one, and for adding new post you will click to add new. This is the title. Here you can always enter a title like good morning or example of posts. You can also add some paragraph or lines in it, like this is a tutorial for new posts or updation of posts. Okay, then you can always add a media, add poll like we have done. You can give a heading, like this is the heading, or you can add later on anything. You can keep it in bold, you can keep it in italic, you can bullet the lines, you can also number the lines, you can add block keywords like shift like columns and all. So these are the options. And for publishing the post, you can click on publish. So now this post is published. Okay, let's go to now pages. Pages is slightly different from post, but there are many things common in pages and posts. Let's see what's that. Like we have to create a new page, so we will click to add new. Here, like in post, we had enter title. Here we also have enter title here in add new page. So we will enter a title like how to add on new page. We can also write anything regarding page and all the like we wrote in post, then publish it. Almost all the menus options are same like we had in post, but it's a slight difference. Like the newest post will come first, but the page is randomly given on your WordPress website. So it's too easy to write a WordPress web post or WordPress web page. So this is all for the video. Hope you like it. Thank you.